My name is Sandra Crow. I am the Pro Bono Coordinator in the Prairie State Office in Peoria, Illinois. I came to Peoria in 1978 as a respiratory therapist to work at OSF St. Francis Medical Center. I had a little bit of interest in public interest law, so when I seen this position open, I decided, well, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply for it. I got the position and I've been here for 15 years. My main duties here are basically to interview clients, assess their cases, and to match them up with volunteer attorneys. With the wealth of attorneys that we have here in Peoria, we can handle almost any kind of problem. It's just a matter of finding that perfect attorney and matching them up with the client to get them help. We have at least 100 attorneys at any given time participating. Last year, 130 people got direct representation from an attorney just through the volunteer lawyer program.
She's the face of pro bono. When people think of pro bono legal services, they think of Prairie State Legal Services, and they think of the Bar Association. Sandy is the one that really pulls all that together and really makes it happen. We probably have one of the best pro bono programs in the state of Illinois, and I attribute that a lot to Sandy and her leadership.
The best thing she does is just the sheer number of cases that she refers out every month. There's a newsletter that comes out every month through the Bar Association, and she always has a column in there where she's listing all the cases that have been closed that month. And she just does a fantastic job of finding people that can take a large number of cases and get a lot of pro bono hours.
We had a lady that was a foster mother. There was a fire at her house, and she was burnt horribly trying to save this foster baby. And then the natural mother filed a wrongful death suit against her. One of our volunteer attorneys, Michael Fricke, who was actually our pro bono attorney of the year last year, represented her and was successful in having that case dismissed. They see things like this, they see a wrong, and they see being part of, righting a wrong.
She works really hard to make sure that these cases get moved through the system as quickly as possible. She's the backbone of making sure this whole process stays working.
She's always willing to take the time with the client to talk with them and to assure them that things are going to get better. She's a tremendous asset, not only to Prairie State, but just to our community.
Anybody can work at a soup kitchen, but when it comes to legal help, only attorneys can do it. So they have a unique gift to give. Prairie State as an organization has such a big heart. Day in, day out, they're just trying to figure out how can we help more people. It's just really a very special place to be.